Right, so just a quick idea for a primitive survival type kind of toggle for snares. So if you end up having to make, any type of snare, and you're worried about the animal kind of twisting and breaking it, this is an idea you could use so it doesn't do that. It's kind of like a toggle. And so far all I've got is this stake, and I've carved it, but I've left it as thick as I could, and then I've carved a hole in it. Now, what I used to do the hole was this chisel blade on this wasabi knife. And I just gouged it out, got it out. You could use a normal knife. So I'll show you how to set it up in a second. And all I've done is pointed the other end and then just done that there. Right, now obviously this is just a setup, like a demonstration setup of the toggle. If you're going to do this in a survival situation, you'd want to put a bit more effort into this. Obviously you're going to want to put your snare on a trail, and you're probably going to want to put some sort of chew out bar or whatever, like the hair pipe trap, on your paracord to stop it being chewed out. That's if you're going to use that type of one. Or if you're using brass or aluminium wire, steel wire, you may not need the chew out bar, but I'm just going to show you how it would essentially work. But if you're actually going to do it, you need to put a bit more effort into this. Remember, like I said, if you was using a survival paracord snare, you're going to want to put something, bring it out further and put some sort of tube or pipe along the paracord to act as a chew out bar, the same as the hair pipe trap. and this is going to want to be on a trail, you know, in all the proper places. But this is just a demonstration of the toggle part. So essentially the animal would go in, get his head or whatever caught, and then if it starts to try and twist, the toggle should just let it spin. So just a bit of an idea for a toggle. One thing I would say is, the bigger the hole, the better, but make sure you've still got plenty of wood to hold. And obviously brass wire, aluminium wire, steel wire would be better than any type of kind of cordage, but if it's all you had, then that's all you'd add. You have to use it. Right, anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.